Welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Today we will discuss that how you will send your inventory to Amazon warehouse. This lecture is for those sellers who will sell their product as an Amazon FBA, means that they will send their all inventory to Amazon warehouse and Amazon will pack the product and Amazon will ship it to customer. So let's proceed for it. This is Amazon Seller Center. You will log in your Amazon Seller Center and then you will go to your inventory tab and then manage all inventory. From here I have two products here, and for example I want to send the I want to create the shipment template for this product, and I have inventory for this product in my private warehouse, and I want to send the inventory to Amazon warehouse. I think the concept is clear with you. If you have listed your product Amazon FBM, then there is no need to send inventory to Amazon warehouse. But if your product is listed as an FBA, then definitely you will need to send your inventory to Amazon warehouse. For example, I want to send inventory, I want to send these products to Amazon warehouse, and this product is already listed as an FBA. You will see there the option of send and replenish inventory, and also if you want to print item labels, you can print item labels from here and you can send them to your supplier. Your supplier will paste these labels on your products, and then definitely you will create your shipment plan. You will click on send and replenish inventory, and it will take some time for loading. Okay, so this is the page where from you will start. First of all, you will put here ship from address. Ship from address is the address where from the inventory will be shipped to Amazon warehouse. It would be your address or your supplier address. If you are sourcing your product from China or anything anywhere from else, you can ask him his complete address and you will put that address here. This is called ship from address. Marketplace is United States, and I am sending this inventory from China. I am sending 36 units per box, and then I have to click that how many boxes I will send. 1 carton. Ready to send. And also you will need to put the dimensions of the boxes and the dimensions of the product to confirm and continue. This page always take a few seconds to load because this is a heavy page, so that's why. Here you have to now select that where on which date your supplier or you will send inventory to Amazon warehouse. For example, I want to send inventory on 13th, and then you have the two options: small parcel delivery or less than truckload. If you are sending cartons, 5 to 6 cartons or under 10 cartons, then you should proceed with SPD. But if your inventory is in bulk and it is less than truckload, then you will proceed with less than truckload. So in my case it is small parcel delivery, so I will just select SPD. Scroll down. Here you can confirm number of boxes 1, number of SKU means stock keeping unit, 1 product only, and units 36 units for 1 product. From China, definitely Amazon cannot pick up my courier. If you are living in USA or in Canada, if you are going to ship your product from USA or Canada, then Amazon will provide you the pickup service, means that Amazon team will come to your warehouse, they will pick up the inventory and they will ship it to Amazon warehouse. But for these cases, if you are going to ship your product from China, you will proceed with non-Amazon partner courier. Select the courier. For example, I am going to ship this product with DHL, and how will they be transported? By air, by ocean, or by ground? So I can select by ground, for example, and then I will just click on apply charges and confirm shipping. This is how you create your shipping template to send inventory to Amazon warehouse. This lecture was for those sellers who will list their product as an Amazon FBA, means that they will send their inventory to Amazon warehouse and Amazon will pack the product and will ship it to customer. Thank you so much, and keep following.